You can make $41,000 a month just by creating YouTube Shorts, and I'm going to show you exactly how you could create 1,000 YouTube Shorts in just 10 minutes for free using ChatGPT and Canva. Yes, you heard that right, 1,000 YouTube Shorts in just 10 minutes. Today, we're looking at a fascinating case study, a faceless YouTube channel that's making up to $41,000 a month by creating and uploading YouTube Shorts. And the best part, it's all done using AI. One of the YouTubers who has successfully mastered this technique is Jamil Velji. Let's get started. First things first, we need to sign up for a ChatGPT account. If you haven't done this already, head over to OpenAI's website and create your free account. Once you've logged in, you'll see a screen that looks something like this. If you're using a free account, you might not see the plus icon, but don't worry, you'll still have access to all the features we need. Step 2, preparing the prompt. Now let's get into the magic of generating content. We'll be using a specially crafted prompt to ask ChatGPT to generate sets of facts for us. This prompt is designed to give us exactly what we need, 50 sets of facts, each with a topic, part 1 and part 2. For example, psychology. People who smile more often are generally happier and they live longer. Here's the prompt we're going to use. All we need to do is copy and paste this prompt into ChatGPT and hit send. Let's do it right now. You'll see it start generating facts in a table format. This might take a minute, so be patient. Once it's done, we'll review the content to make sure it's exactly what we need. If everything looks good, we can copy all the generated facts and move on to the next step. Remember, quality is key here. If you ask for too many facts at once, the quality might drop. So stick to 50 at a time for the best results. Next, we need to head over to Canva. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free. Once you're logged in, you'll see a screen like this one. We're going to use Canva to create our YouTube Shorts. Step 2, choosing a template. In the search bar, type YouTube Shorts and select the template that pops up. We're going to create a blank template to start from scratch. This blank canvas will be our playground where we'll add all the elements we need. Step 3, add in a background. Let's add a background video. Click on apps in the bottom left corner, then scroll down to videos. You can search for anything. We want something simple and ambient. For this example, I'll use a sunset video. Once you find one you like, drag it to the editor's window and it will set as the background. Remember, we need to trim this video down to 6 seconds. Click the cut icon and drag it to 6 seconds. Also, make sure to mute any background audio by dragging the volume slider to 0. Now let's add our text. We need 3 text boxes, one for the topic, one for part 1 and one for part 2. Go to the text, drag in a style and type in topic. Place it at the top, then duplicate this box and place part 1 and part 2 in the respective boxes. Style these texts to change in the font, color and add in backgrounds if needed. For example, I'll change the text color to white and add a black background for the topic to make it stand out. Step 5, timing the text. We need to adjust the timing so the text appears at the right moment. Right click on part 1 and select show timing. Set it to appear for the first 3.5 seconds. Do the same for part 2, but set it to appear in the last 2.5 seconds, automating with bulk create. Now comes the fun part, automating the creation of multiple videos. Click on apps again and find bulk create. We'll enter our data manually by copying the table from ChatGPT and pasting it directly into Canva. Step 2, connecting data. Next, we need to connect the data to our text placeholders. Right click on topic and select connect data, then choose the corresponding column. Do the same for part 1 and part 2. Step 3, generating videos. With everything set up, click continue and then generate. Canva will create all our videos based on the data we provided. This might take a few minutes, so let it work its magic. Here's another YouTuber that created bulk YouTube Shorts that are monetizable. Chapter 4, exporting and uploading. Once the videos are generated, click share, then download. Make sure to select download pages as separate files to get each video as an individual file. All that's left is to upload these videos to your YouTube channel. You can now batch upload them, add your pre-generated titles, descriptions and hashtags, and schedule them to be published over time. It's also important to give these videos the correct titles and tags. I would highly recommend you use TubeBuddy to automate this process for you. You can find a link in the description below that will get you 50% off. And that's it. By following these steps, you can automate your content creation process and potentially earn thousands of dollars a month, just like Jamil Velji. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.